How to fix Roblox lag on your iPhone. Many players experience lag while playing Roblox on their mobile devices, and it can be frustrating. But don't worry, there are simple steps you can take to reduce or eliminate the lag and improve your gaming experiences. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll on your screen and find the option called General. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down again and tap on the option called iPhone Storage. Now you have to scroll down and find your app called Roblox. Scroll down, tap on Show All, and there you go, Roblox. Tap on Offload App. Once you tap on it, it will offload the app. Now you're required to reinstall the app, which will automatically fix the lag on your iPhone while playing Roblox. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.